Hi everyone, today I am making this pretty double-strand beaded bracelet. For the first strand, I am using 4mm red beads, 4mm gold beads and this flower charm. I am following a simple pattern, 5 red beads followed by 1 gold bead. For the middle, I am adding this flower charm with gold beads on both sides to make it stand out. After adding the charm, I will continue with the same red and gold bead pattern. Now I am attaching a gem ring to each end. And this is how the first strand looks after adding the gem rings. For the next strand, I am using 4mm pink and gold beads. I am adding 7 pink beads followed by 1 gold bead and repeating the same pattern throughout the strand. After completing the pattern, I am adding a gem ring to both ends. Now I am joining the 2 strands together using a gem ring, and I will join the other side in the same way. And this is how the 2 strands look once they are joined together. Now I am attaching the clasp to finish the bracelet. And here is the finished bracelet. What do you think of this color combination? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.